in this video we are going to study the fourth chapter, pair of straight lines. In 11th standard we have studied the equation of line and various forms of the straight line. Generally the linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a line. In this chapter we will study the pair of straight lines. So for this study we need the concept of combined equation of pair of lines. What is the combined equation of pair of lines? An equation which represents two lines is called combined equation of those two lines. Suppose we have two lines, u is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1, and second line v is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2. Generally it is denoted by u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. Then their combined equation is represented by u into v is equal to 0. So in the first theorem we have to show that the equation u into v is equal to 0 represents the combined equation of two lines u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. So for the proof of this theorem, consider the two given lines u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0, which are represented by the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second line a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Suppose px1 y1, u and v are two intersecting lines, and suppose px1 y1 be any point on the first line u is equal to 0. Then the coordinates of this point satisfy the equation of first line u is equal to 0. So we can write a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. Say equation 1. Now here we have to show that this point px1 y1 coordinates of this point satisfy the combined equation of two lines. P lies on first line and this point also satisfy the combined equation of two lines u into v is equal to 0. So for this we consider the left side u into v. So let u into v. Write the equation of u a1 in the x1 y1 form, a1x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1, and the second equation in x1 y1 form, a2x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2. The value of first equation from equation number 1 is 0. So by substituting the value of this equation 0 into the second equation we get 0. So in this way we get u into v is equal to 0. This proves that the coordinates of points px1 y1 also satisfy the equation u into v is equal to 0. So we can say that every point on the line u is equal to 0 satisfy the combined equation u into v is equal to 0. Suppose the qx2 y2 be any point on the second line, then we can prove that every point on this line v is equal to 0 satisfy the combined equation u into v is equal to 0. Now converse part of this theorem is, suppose r x dash y dash be any point which satisfy the equation u into v is equal to 0. Then we can say that this point lies on any one of the line u is equal to 0 or v is equal to 0. So every point which satisfy the equation u is equal to 0 lies on the line u is equal to 0 or v is equal to 0. In this way the equation u into v is equal to 0, that is the combined equation of two lines, represents the combined equation of two lines u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us see some examples on this combined equation of pair of lines. So the first example, Find the combined equation of the following pairs of lines. In the first example, there are two equations of lines and we have to find the combined equation of these two lines. We know that the combined equation of lines, the combined equations of lines u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 is u into v is equal to 0. So from this concept we can find the combined equation of these two lines. Suppose first equation is u is equal to 0 and second equation is v is equal to 0. Then the combined equation of required combined equation of line two x plus y is equal to 0 and 3x minus y is equal to 0 is product of these two lines 2x plus y into 3x minus y is equal to 0. Now by simplifying these two brackets we get 2x into 3x 6x square, y into 3x plus 3xy minus y into 2x 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. So by simplifying 6x square plus xy minus y square is equal to 0. This is the combined equation of two given lines. Now the second example, 2y minus 1 is the first line and x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Two lines are given and we have to find the combined equation of two lines. So combined equation of lines x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is x plus 2y minus 1 into x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. In these two brackets we get x into x square 2y into x plus 2yx minus x minus 3y into the first bracket minus 3xy minus 6y square and minus 1 into minus 3y plus 3y plus 2 into the first bracket 2x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. By calculating this, x square is a single term, so x square, taking the coefficient of same variables 2xy minus 3x minus 1xy minus xy plus minus 6y square is a single term, then minus x plus 2x plus x and minus 3 plus 3y plus 4y we get 7y and minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the combined equation of two given lines. Now the second question, find the separate equation. Find the separate equations of following equations. Find the separate equations of the following expression. So the first equation is 3y square plus 7xy is equal to 0. Now in the second question, find the separate equations of the following equation. The given equation is 3y square plus 7xy is equal to 0. Taking y common from this expression, then we get y into 3y plus 7x is equal to 0. And this equation, these are two equations. So the required separate equations are y is equal to 0 and 3y plus 7x is equal to 0. Taking y as a common from this equation, then we get y into 3y plus 7x, and these two equations are the separate equations of the lines. So first equation is y is equal to 0 and second 3y plus 7x is equal to 0. Now the second equation is 5x square minus 9y square is equal to 0. In this equation, both the terms are in square form. So by using a square minus b square formula, we get the two factors a minus b and a plus b. So write these equations in square form. Root 5x bracket square minus 3y bracket square is equal to 0. So a square minus b square, we get the factors a plus b and a minus b. Here the first factor is root 5x plus 3y and second factor is root 5x minus 3y is equal to 0. And these two equations are the separate equations of given equations. So the required separate equations are root 5x plus 3y is equal to 0 and second equation root 5x minus 3y is equal to 0. In this way, in this video, we have learned about the combined equations of pair of straight lines.